Throughout the annals of history, humanity has been driven by invention. Some creations fueled progress, some shaped civilizations, and others fueled destruction. Weapons of war, from simple swords to nuclear bombs, have determined the fate of nations, redrawing borders and deciding the lives of millions. Yet hidden among these inventions, there existed a device unlike anything ever recorded, a secret invention capable of stopping wars before they even began. This hidden technology, shrouded in secrecy and classified at the highest levels, was a futuristic invention designed not to destroy, but to prevent destruction itself. Imagine a machine so powerful that it could neutralize conflicts, disarm armies, and influence global diplomacy, a device capable of ending war as we know it. The story begins in the early 20th century, in the shadows of classified research facilities hidden in remote locations. Scientists experimenting with advanced energy manipulation, quantum physics, and electromagnetic resonance stumbled upon a discovery that defied conventional science. Unlike traditional weapons, this invention did not rely on firepower, explosives, or brute force. It operated on principles that seemed almost magical. Using a combination of electromagnetic waves, resonance fields, and energy modulation, it could disable weapons remotely, prevent missiles from launching, and even interfere with communications to de-escalate military conflicts. Researchers called it the anti-war machine, the device for global peace, and in secret journals, some even referred to it as the hidden savior of humanity. The team of scientists behind this project was as mysterious as the device itself. Led by a brilliant but largely forgotten physicist, Dr. Elias Corrin, the project brought together engineers, mathematicians, and even psychologists to understand not only the technical aspects of conflict prevention, but also human behavior in times of war. Experimental prototypes were constructed in hidden laboratories, where devices the size of trucks emitted controlled energy fields capable of rendering military machinery inert. Early trials demonstrated astonishing results. Tanks and vehicles stalled without explanation, firearms jammed, and even the morale of soldiers was affected. The machine did not kill, it neutralized. It turned aggression into inaction, conflict into hesitation. Yet, despite its revolutionary potential, the invention was deliberately hidden. Governments and powerful organizations recognized that a world without war would also mean a world without control. Military powers, defense contractors, and political elites feared the disruption of economies dependent on weapon production and the destabilization of international power dynamics. The project was classified, locked behind multiple layers of secrecy, and stored in secure underground vaults. The knowledge of the device was restricted to a handful of individuals bound by strict secrecy agreements. Over time, most documentation was destroyed, leaving only fragments and cryptic notes. This classified project became one of the most mysterious and powerful secrets of the modern era, known only to a select few. Over the decades, rumors of the invention persisted. Whistleblowers, historians, and researchers claimed that pieces of the device still existed in private collections, government archives, and forgotten laboratories. Some speculated that Dr. Corrin had reverse-engineered technology derived from extraterrestrial sources, while others believed the invention was purely human ingenuity, a genius too far ahead of his time. Reports suggested that prototypes had been tested in isolated regions, quietly preventing conflicts before they could escalate. Entire skirmishes reportedly ended mysteriously, with military equipment failing simultaneously in multiple locations. Was this coincidence, or the intervention of the anti-war machine? The potential global impact of the invention is staggering to consider. Imagine a world in which the tragedies of the world wars, regional conflicts, and countless smaller battles never occurred. Millions of lives could have been spared. Economies could have flourished, redirecting resources from weapons production to medicine, education, and infrastructure. Entire societies could have advanced decades, or even centuries, ahead of our current state. Cities would not have been destroyed, cultural treasures preserved, and humanity may have entered a golden age of peace and technological progress far earlier. The anti-war device represented not only a technological marvel but a moral turning point, a chance to elevate civilization rather than destroy it. Yet, the device remained hidden. Its story is a chilling reminder of the intersection of knowledge, power, and fear. The line between salvation and suppression often depends on those in authority. Governments deemed humanity not ready for such technology, fearing the collapse of traditional power structures. Dr. Corrin and his team, though brilliant, were forced into secrecy, their legacy hidden behind government clearance stamps and encrypted files. Only fragments of their work remain: blueprints, partial prototypes, and notes preserved by courageous individuals who understood the magnitude of their creation. Today, the anti-war machine exists as both a legend and a tantalizing mystery. It inspires awe, speculation, and a profound sense of what might have been. The invention reminds us that the potential for peace has always existed, sometimes in hidden form, awaiting discovery. It challenges us to consider the ethical use of technology, the consequences of secrecy, and the choices humanity makes in the pursuit of power. Perhaps one day, this hidden invention will emerge from the shadows, revealing the device that could finally stop wars and usher in an era of global harmony. Until then, it remains a symbol of humanity's untapped potential, a futuristic invention, a secret technology, and a testament to the power of innovation restrained by fear. If this story fascinated you, imagine the possibilities if more hidden inventions were revealed. Let me know in the comments what you think the anti-war machine could do if it existed today. Do you believe such a device could truly stop wars? And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more mysterious inventions, secret technologies, and world-changing discoveries. Your support helps us uncover more stories from the hidden corners of history and science.